Hello and welcome back to the Ukulele Major Scales Challenge, where we are learning all of the major scales on our ukuleles one video at a time. Today we will learn the F major scale. We are going to start this scale on the 5th fret of C string or string 3. And any notes that you play on the 5th fret will be played with the index finger. Any notes that you play on the 6th fret will be played with the middle finger. Notes played on the 7th fret will belong to the ring finger, and the pinky will be used for, I believe, 2 notes, and that will be on the 8th fret. If your thumb is all the way up here, drop it so that you can make sure and play with rounded fingers that only touch the string you're pressing at a time. So let's start with our first note. Give me that 5th fret F, and make sure you have a house for a mouse here, that a mouse fits and you're not squishing your mouse, okay? Here we go. And as you play this F, you can look over the headstock like this and make sure you're not pressing the string next to it. So this is F. Next, let's go to G with the ring finger. Give me F again, index finger, ready, go. Give me G now. Back to F, please. And G now. Good job. Next, let's go to A. That's going to be one string over, but still with the index finger. A. One more time. A. And next, give me B flat. This is our first flat. That's with the middle finger on the 6th fret. And let's add one more note before we take a break. Give me a C with your pinky on fret 8. Let's play the 3 notes on this string, which are A, then B flat, then C. Again, give me A, B flat is next, then C. Now let's do all the 5 notes that we've learned so far, starting from the F. And let's play these in whole notes. A whole note is a note that lasts for 4 beats. So you're going to play and count that as 1 when you pick on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you play the next note on beat 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, okay? Get ready, the first 5 notes. 1, 2, breathe. 1, 2, ready, F. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, B flat. 2, C, ready, go. Perfect. Now let's learn the last 3 notes on this scale, which are D on the 5th fret, E on the 7th fret, and finish on a high F. I'll show you a really cool tip later on in this video on how to play a chord with the positions that you're already playing with. So let's do those last 3 notes, D, E, and F in whole notes. Give me D, 1, 2, 1, 2, 5th fret, go. 1, 2, 3, go to E now. And finish on F now. Go ahead and take like 15 or 20 seconds to review the whole scale. And while you do that, I'll do a cute little commercial. So the lessons here that you're seeing, let me go back. The tab that you're seeing here at the bottom of the screen, I've made a PDF that has that tab. And I've also made it in music notation. And I've added the finger positions and the circle of fifths, because all of this connects to the musician's circle of fifths. More on that later. So if you would like to support the channel, you can download that PDF. Okay, so let's do the whole scale starting on fret 5. You can do it. Make sure and keep that thumb down and the hand curved. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, breathe. 1, 2, have fun. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, G. 2, 3, A. 2, 3, B flat. 2, 3, C. 2, 3, D. 2, 3, E. 2, 3, F. Let's do it one more time. This time I would love for you to pay attention to your picking hand and see if you can alternate the index and then the picking hand middle and then back to the index and then middle, like alternating as if they're walking. And make sure that you don't do a double step with a finger. Make sure it's index, middle. And under the tab, I've just added the IM. I is for índice or index, and M is for medio or middle. Here we go. You can do it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Alternate. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep breathing. Ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Finish and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do some review because review is the best way to remember everything that we just learned. But first, I'd like to dedicate this video to Patreon member Marion. Marion, thank you so much for tuning into the live lessons from Australia. It is so nice to have you there. And if you would like to join the Patreon community, you can go to patreon.com/Bernadette Teaches Music. You can join at the free level, or if you would like the additional perks of watching the lessons or getting all of the PDFs, you can choose the level that you like. So most people go to the $5 level, $5 a month, and they get hundreds and hundreds of PDFs that I've ever made, as well as some courses that I've taught over there that I've never taught anywhere else. So join us on Patreon. Now let's do our review for today. Today we learned the F major scale. That starts on the 5th fret. And I told you I was going to share something pretty cool with you. And that is that if you bar the entire 5th fret and you add your pinky on that last note that you played, which was the 8th fret, if you bar and add the pinky on the 8th fret of string A, that gives you an F. And by the way, this applies to all of the scales that you've learned so far. So like, for example, the D major scale. You can play your scale once you get to the pinky bar, and you get to play a high D or a nice D chord. Anywhere you go, you can play your scale and end on a chord, which I think sounds really pretty. So here for the F major scale, we started on the 5th fret. You can play your whole scale, and when you get to that pinky note, leave it there, bar the 5th fret, and you can play an F chord. I think that's a really neat trick. So now what we're doing is that we're going to, like, if we start talking about what's the next scale, if we look at the F major scale, our flat note was B flat. And the awesome thing is that that is the next scale. It's the B flat major scale. So join me in the next video where we will bring the B flat note with us and add a new flat. I hope to see you there. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.